Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm just making this very quick video to say that I'm back from my previous holiday, which took about a week, and I'm also just making a quick video because some of you, led by Phoenix, and I know a few others helped as well, have made me a birthday present, which I'm very, very thankful for, and I'm going to watch that now because I said I'd react to it because you wanted to see my reaction. So again, thank you so much. Like I said, I'm going to watch it now. So sorry for the webcam quality. I'm not using my actual camera, I'm using my webcam. Again, hopefully it's alright, shouldn't be too bad. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So let me open up this now and just change screens here as well. So this is what we've got. It's a nice little video. Again, haven't seen it yet, so this is my first reaction. Thank you. There's a lot to say to you, Matt, and it's hard to put it all down to a few short sentences. I'll say this: thank you, Matt, for bringing me such kind community that you have. Every time that I go onto your server, my day is a little brighter. I used to be a small 2D game developer, but now I'm creating nice 3D games because of your tutorials. Your videos really helped me out a ton, and I really appreciate all that you've done. I remember now, sorry, 1 second, there we go. I remember now how happy I was when you joined my server because you are someone I really look up to. You're such a kind friend. I wish you continued success through your journey through life. I wish you the most perfect birthday, Phoenix. Thank you so much. That means so much to me. Oh, Daniel, happy birthday, Matt. I hope this special day you spend in with your loved ones, and I wish you an awesome day. It would be nice if you organise a game with us to play to celebrate your birthday. There are some games online like Pictionary or Cards Against Humanity, to name a few, but you don't need to download the thing. I bet everyone would hype. That sounds amazing. Yes, you call me Danny. Daniel sounds way too formal. Oh, sorry, Danny. There we go. That sounds better. Oh, Frizz. Thank you so much for everything, Matt. I'm glad it's your birthday. You've changed my life and allowed me to have a future. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, and don't forget, you have a wonderful heart and a brilliant mind. Thank you for everything. Everything you have taught me is amazing. You deserve just so much more than I can say, I swear. You are just the most amazing, inspiring person I've seen. We love you so much for what you've done. We wish you could do more back. How I first found you. After finding Unity hard, I switched on Unreal Engine. From there, I was blank on it. I had no idea what to do, but the first thing I wanted to do was make a main menu. That's when I found your tutorials. At the time, you had a few videos and didn't even have 5 or 2k subscribers. After learning from you, it was the best thing that happened to me. Thank you so much for these kind words, guys. It means a lot. Oh, Charlie. Hey, Matt. So I found you in late 2020 in October, and it was around this time when I was just starting game development or looking into it. Over the past 5 months, you and the Discord community have helped me and sat with me during coding issues, technical issues, etc. I just want to say thank you for the help, because of you, hopefully, we can make a game that thrives and becomes well known. It definitely will be, because it looks amazing. Thank you so much for your knowledge and awesome tutorial ideas you come up with. You and your Discord has essentially helped me build my game. I think a Discord like this is important, especially with what's going on in the world at the moment. Congratulations on 10k subscribers and close to 1,000 members on Discord. Hopefully this is only the beginning of the journey for us all. Again, happy birthday and stay safe. Thank you. Bluehawk Studios. Thanks a lot, Matt. You were the one who helped me in this journey of learning Unreal Engine. Your videos were fun to watch and educational. Those helped me a lot in understanding the fundamentals of Unreal and more. Again, thanks a lot for everything you've done. You've done great and reached your milestone. Keep up the good work. Wish you a happy birthday, Matt. Bluehawk Studios. Thank you so much. James. Happy birthday, Matt. Without you, I'd not have released my first game, and I wouldn't have learned so much about Unreal Engine. You are on such a good path with your knowledge of just about anything. I just want to say thank you because you've stuck with me even when I had so many issues with game development. You kept helping me even though you didn't have to. So I just wanted to thank you all for that. So I just wanted to thank you for all that you've helped me in the community with. Happy birthday and congrats on 10k subscribers. Thank you, James. I really appreciate that. Cody Sky. Hello, Bad Chipset Software here, aka Cody Sky. I just would like to thank Matt for the incredible tutorials, although I may have not watched all of them, but he's a pretty cool dude and a few of his tutorials have helped, especially the Ghost Running jump scare. Such a huge inspiration for game devs and level designers starting out, and I would like to thank him once again and wish him a happy birthday. Hope that you have a great day. Cheers. Thank you, Cody Sky. Asmund, happy birthday, Matt, and thanks for your tutorials. Oh, thank you. That looks lovely. A game dev that likes Portal or Fire Arrow games. Happy birthday, Matt. Thank you. Mike Thievel. Unity you for Matt's tutorials, Matt's Discord. Happy birthday, mate. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate that. Captain X. Hey Matt, I found your channel about 2 to 3 weeks ago. At the time I was just starting in UE4 and had no idea how anything worked. I searched for various things I wanted and that's when I found your channel. Without your videos, me and a lot of others starting UE4 would have a really hard time learning. Hope you have a great birthday, Matt. Thank you for every tutorial you make, and have a great day. Congrats on 11.1k subs. Thank you a lot, Captain. Really, really appreciate all of this. This means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that, Phoenix, for organising it, and everybody else who contributed to that as well. Give me all those really nice, amazing messages. That was so nice to read. That honestly means a lot to me. I'm so happy to see that I've helped you, and you're all very, very grateful in return. And like I say, I really do appreciate it. So again, thank you so much, Phoenix, for organising this, because I know you said you've been working on it for a couple months as well. And thank you for everyone who contributed and everyone who's wished me happy birthday elsewhere as well, not just on the video. It honestly does mean a lot to me, and I was not expecting this at all. Didn't even think people would recognise my birthday. Obviously, it's in the frequently asked questions section of my Discord. That's pretty much it. So thank you, everyone, for wishing me a happy birthday. Thank you for all the kind words that you've given me and all of the support over the past year. It honestly means the world to me. So thank you all so much. Like I say, I'm back from my break now as well. So let's get right back into it all, starting this week. Thank you all so much once again. Really, really do appreciate it.